It's 6:55 in the morning. Oh, I'm so tired. Getting mountain lion tomorrow, so have a little bit of a tech vlog and then a basketball vlog as well because of the Olympics. And now it's volleyball, so good thing to fall asleep to, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys in the morning. This is how early I'm going to bed, or late. That Reveille is playing. Great, right? Cleaning my desk. What are you doing, Ted? What, you got your cigarette? Smoke is bad. Now YouTube's really gonna say my footage is shaky. Of course, I've been shaky all day, because I woke up at like 5:30 or 6, the latest I've ever woken up this summer, and yeah, had some, was really dizzy. I felt it while I was in bed, so then waited about an hour, and then I took a shower. That rhymes. And then I went downstairs and I got some ramen water heating up, but I was working out at the same time, so not the best idea. Now I'm still shaky, and I've already done this thing. I had to. Awesome. Alright. Let's continue. Agree. Yes. Yep. Install. This is what it looks like before the dock. And to enter my password. Trying to reinstall, your computer will restart automatically. Alright, looks like it's gonna be pretty fast. That was fast. It installed, maybe in like 30 seconds. That's crazy. So hopefully it'll probably have a little screen like Lion did. I forgot how Lion was. I got Lion like a year and 3 days ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch some TV, I guess, or try to go to sleep or something. I don't know. But yeah, so tired. Oh, I think it's doing something. Okay. I got the apple kind of fast. Usually it takes about 15 seconds till the apple pops up and the loading starts. Because this thing's boot time has gone down so much because of how much I use it. It's gone down. Well, not to mention the hard drive is a little bit full. It's got to load all that stuff up, so. But there it goes, I guess. Yep, there we go. It was just preparing to install, I guess. Install OS 10. Time remaining, 34 minutes. That's great. What am I going to do? Netflix? I think so. Come here, Xbox. I guess I'll watch some episodes of Family Guy or something. Oh, man, that's convenient. Where's my remote? I need to clean this desk. This whole room was clean. Nope, not no more. Just a bunch of clothes and stuff. I don't even know how. I don't even change in here. And finally rebooted. And after this, I'm going to bed, and then the MacBook gets the upgrade tomorrow. Probably should have did that earlier, but yeah, I guess it's good to do them out of sync because you can do something on that one while this one's doing something, and then this one while that one's doing something. That was a burp. That was another one. That was great. What am I doing, Tubi? Jingle, 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 jingle. This is taking a while. Hope it's just because of the operating system. Hope it's not laggy either, because I've heard of people, their machines getting laggy with it. That would definitely not be good. Come on. Bruh. Look at how dark it is. It's like almost 5 o'clock and it's this dark. I love it so much. I'm so glad. Like, I like having long days, but a lot of nighttime too. Like, almost evened out. Speaking of which, it's now officially August 1st, so happy August. I remember I went downstairs a few hours ago to go get a drink. I was on Skype too. I was like, dude, I went downstairs in July, and I came back up in August. But yeah, okay, that's done loading. So we should be in pretty soon. Takes like forever right now. Hopefully it's just because of the operating system. But yeah, because it's new. Once it starts loading up more, hopefully it'll be all good. 12 gigs of RAM, you know. 12 gigs of RAM and but there is 750 gigabytes taken up on it. So, I mean, the least I can get down to is like 941 gigabytes because for some reason, or like 931, because for some reason it's a terabyte. I mean, a long time ago I used to be able to get down to like 996, which is good. But no, now I'm only 931 because it was oh, here we go. It gave me an incompatible software warning. But yeah, like what is it? I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I was making a partition for Windows, a Windows XP partition, and I was trying to get rid of it. I got rid of it, and it was like 64 gigabytes. So 64 gigabytes. It's lost somewhere. It's like corrupt stuff. But yeah, we have Mountain Lion now, and there's the notification center. If you guys can see right here, no new notifications. Go into the settings and change that soon, because I want to put the weather and stuff up there if I can. Would I like to install a Java SCU runtime? Sure. Little snitch is not compatible. More info. Because some of the software on your computer is incompatible with this version of OS 10, because the software may cause problems with the computers, it has been moved. You'll find a folder named incompatible software. Parallels. Aw, Parallels. Parallels is not compatible. Snaps Pro 10, that's the trial, is not compatible. Parallels? Great. No more Windows for me. That sucks. Oh, there's the new dock. Oh, it looks so good. Yep. But unfortunately, Parallels. Enter in the Apple ID password. Oh. Okay. So now I'm downloading a 66 megabyte Java thing right now. Splash top. Got my iCloud set up even more. iCloud server not responding for back to my Mac. I don't know I don't really know what's up about back to my Mac. I don't know what that does really. Backs up in the cloud? I don't know. But okay. The two new things added to my dock: notes and reminders. So that's cool. Let's see. Let's open up notes. I really like this new dock. Everything's more colorful a little bit too. I can tell. Like some of the icons are a little more colorful. That's for sure. And I think I'm gonna clear some of my dock of items I don't really use anymore, because I put a lot of stuff in there. Let's get rid of Visual Boy Advance. Don't really play too much on that. Why can't I get rid of dock items? Huh, that's weird. And here's our notes thing with iCloud. So I can see a lot of my iPhone notes. Let's see, on my Mac, I have no notes. Main, I have no idea what that is. Probably with my email for some reason. iCloud notes, which is all my iPhone. So that's great. But yeah, there it is. So we got notes. Let's see, reminders. Got new dock indicators. That's great. I like that. Okay. And Spotlight is indexing. Hopefully things are more responsive now. Hopefully things like Mission Control. Oh yeah, Mission Control is way smoother now. Like on Lion, it used to kind of lag a little bit at first, but now it's really good now. So I like how they changed that. It looks like the Jelly Bean, whatever you want to call it, the stoplight, it looks like they're a little bit more tweaked with in terms of how they look. But let's go to, here we go, here's our calendar. We have birthdays that I imported from Facebook. Let's go to our system preferences for notifications. Okay, let's see. All we have right now is calendar, FaceTime, Game Center, mail, messages, reminders, and Safari. Let's see. You can have alerts and banners and stuff. It's just like the iPhone, but I want to put weather in there. I don't really know how we can. At the moment, everything's in there. So I guess when they release more updates and stuff, like 10.8.1 maybe, showing notification center, badge app icons, play sound when receiving. Okay. Let's see if we got any new preference panes. We do have notifications right there. Let's see. We have dictation and speech. Let's see. Dictation on. When you dictate text, what you say is sent to Apple. Okay. And no, don't use an After Effects. I don't even know how After Effects got there. But let's use the internal microphone. Loo? La 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 la. Okay, it works. Shortcut, press FN key twice. Hello? Okay. And language, United States English. Desktop and screensaver icon got a little bit of a change. And I suppose there's some new screensavers. Don't know how many of you guys like the screensavers, but oh yeah, there's a lot of new slideshows. These three, I think, or these two right here, I think are new. Flux and Solar Wind. No, well, I might have downloaded those. But yeah, they all have a huge overhaul with the preview, the thumbnails and everything of it. These are, I don't remember them looking like this. I remember it just being a, what's it called? I remember it just being a list. So that's cool. Desktop pictures. We have some new desktop pictures. Let's go through some of these. This is my desktop right now. It's just a simple dark blue to white gradient. It kind of resembles the sky a little bit. But I think we have the Earth and Moon, which looks amazing. We have that. We got Eagle and Waterfall. Ducks. These are old. I think the circles was there before. Brushes is definitely new. Wow, that's crazy. Bristlegrass, blue pond. It's kind of frozen, so very almost Alaskan-ish. We got the beach. If you ever want to, let me move some of these screenshots into these folders. Organize them later, because all my screenshots I do by month, so don't want to open you up. But here is the beach, if you want to be there. Bahamas, aerial, that's over the Bahamas. I don't know if it looks like it's painted. Yeah. These are old. Antelope Canyon. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Yeah. So I think these are all the new ones. We do have the old mountain lion one. Milky Way Galaxy is new. The moon, I think, is new. Nature. Let's see how many new nature ones we have. None? Okay, where's the mountain lion desktop picture? There it is, Galaxy. It's just called Galaxy. That's the default mountain lion one. I do like Earth and Moon, though. That's an awesome one. I think I might keep that. But that's the new preference panes that we have. What else was there? Let me check. Okay, so on Apple's website we have the new iCloud. It's easier to juggle, I guess. Documents in the cloud. That's if you have like what's it called, pages and stuff on your iPhone. Reminders and notes. Went over that. iMessage. I went over that previously in a previous vlog when it was in the beta. Zeus, here, let me out. No, you can't go in Mom's room. Hang on. Okay, well, it does look like there's it does. Oh, my MacBook's about to die. It does look like the font has changed a little bit in messages. Let's see. The way that you start a message, I think, is a lot smoother now. There's a little FaceTime button right there. You have your options for aim, everything like that. I think I could probably change that in here. Your default IM application, messages, okay. But yeah, you can choose your aim right there, I guess. There's the aim account. Apple ID. Okay. Messages, yep, that's still the same. Hi. So. Okay, I don't think messages has really changed all that much, because, you know. But, notification center, we did go over that. Show alerts and banners that here is on. I don't know how to do the click to tweet and click to post thing. How can we turn that on if we can? No clue. Yeah, no idea. There is Power Nap, but my Mac isn't compatible with it because this Mac is a almost 3-year-old model. In about 2 months, it'll be 3 years old of a model. And in a day, tomorrow, when you guys see the August 1st vlog, my computer will be 2 years old. So, wow. Time goes by. Well, 2 years since I unboxed it, since I first booted it up and everything. Okay, I think the way that you set up your notification center is probably, I would have to guess, through iCloud. Let's see. See if my Twitter and everything's linked up. Okay, not iCloud. Weird. Mail contacts and calendars, maybe? Yep, there's Twitter. Twitter at username WWILLIAMCOOPERR. So there you go, guys. Follow me on Twitter if you're not already. There's a little bit of a shameless plug. But let's see. Signed into Twitter. Alright. Let's see if we can add the Facebook. I don't know how to add Facebook, but I think we got Twitter. Yep, we got Twitter. Click to tweet right here. So let's click on it, and it brings up a little tweet sheet. Okay. Hi everyone. Tweeting from my notification center on OS 10.8. Hashtag mountain lion. So there we go, and we can add our location from here, which should come up. Okay, open privacy settings. Okay, hang on. Enable. Oh, we have the privacy here now. Cool. Alright, so let's see if we can do this again. There we go, and it saves it for you. And okay, come on now. Okay, I have to make the change for the lock real quick. So there is a couple things you gotta do on Mountain Lion when you start up, but let's see. Let's go over here and try to add it now. There we go. It says Anchorage and send, and then it sends it. Okay, so Twitter or the Facebook integration, I just remembered it's not coming until iOS 6 in the fall. So yeah, but that's how you set up Twitter. I can't wait to put this on my MacBook because like the trackpad, that's pretty good. But I really want to buy a Magic Trackpad for the iMac because I love using the MacBook's trackpad to edit video. I mean, it's not good for some things, if you do gaming on the computer, it's definitely not. The trackpad isn't the best thing to use. Like a mouse and everything is pretty good, but editing a video, trackpad it's great. You can do so much with it. You can like scroll up and down on what's it called, like sliders and everything, and you can scroll across the timeline very easily of the video. You can do all sorts of gestures on your Mac. Like, I love it. So next thing I buy is probably either gonna be a new keyboard. They have I think there is a Bluetooth keyboard that is solar powered by Logitech, and it looks exactly like the Apple keyboard. It's like $82, but no more batteries. That's great. If only they can make a mouse, but I love this mouse. I mean, it uses a good amount of battery, but it's worth it, I guess. And the trackpad. It's the next things that I'm buying. And maybe a TV or an iPad. I don't know. The scrolling in Mountain Lion does seem more fast. See, that's how easy I get from the bottom of my applications to the top. So, yeah. It's crazy. It still has this little thing. It has an improved little bar, if you can't see that right there. Compared to the Mountain Lion, which was like an iOS bar, but it wasn't that relevant in the on the bars like on Mountain Lion now. But let's see. Let's open up Safari. I think Safari 6 has not been tested with the Safari plugin Omnibar. I'm not gonna need that. But it does look like Safari has a new kind of loading thing where it goes from white to blue. Yep, it goes from white to blue. That looks really nice. They have some font changes, it looks like. It looks like a little bit bigger font. Reader on the side now. And let's see. The iCloud thing. We have sharing. Hang on. I can open this up. Yep, there we go. And Twitter. And that brings up a little tweet sheet of whatever page you're on. So that's pretty good, I guess. We can go to YouTube and update my Flash player, and the tabs stay enlarged like this, like YouTube and everything. But yeah, it's just like it does on the iPad. It's not, you don't have these little tiny bars anymore. They get smaller and smaller as you get more and more. Let's see, we have this. You can scroll. It works just like it does on the iPhone. That's great. And then you just click, and you can get to that by doing that right there. And we have this the top sites and everything again. We have that. It's great. So let's download this real quick. I always liked how Safari did that. And Facebook coming this fall, probably in 10.8.1 or 10.8.2. We do have AirPlay, but like I said again, my Mac is not compatible with this because of how old it is. Okay, I think the only 2011 models and up work with AirPlay, but that's not an HD TV compatible with AirPlay. But my MacBook Pro, I believe, can AirPlay now, so that's great. I don't think we have any compatible TVs to test it out, so not seeing that one today. Game Center, let's see, I think we do have Game Center somewhere. I didn't mean to launch that. We do have Game Center somewhere, I think, on here. Oh, there it is, right there. Game Center, nice little icon. Wish I could show you guys better stuff because I'm using the flip, so it's kind of... Gatekeeper, which is a lot more of a secure way of downloading things. You can allow applications to automatically download from either the Mac App Store or Mac App Store and identified developers or anywhere. All sorts of different stuff. Safari, there's new tab view, iCloud tabs, and sharing. I did show you guys that. Let's see. I guess it's a little bit smoother. I might have to change my speed that I scroll with. Might have to change that. And we still have this little zoom thing. Okay, but yeah, I think I might have to change the zoom speed a little bit. And it looks like it won't get caught. Like sometimes I'll be on YouTube scrolling up and it'll be caught like this. It's kind of fun, and then I make it go all the way on the page. So, but I don't think we have that problem anymore. And new features for China. Over 200 new features. Let's see what we got. We have tons of new accessibility. We have new AirPlay, autosave. We will show you guys how that works. Alright, well, it looks like this is a little changed. This was a kind of a basic text file. The basic text file font looks like it's a little bigger now and, I don't know, more smooth. Oh, and you can zoom like that. You can zoom now. I don't know if you've been able to do that, but you can zoom a little bit. So that's great. You could probably zoom in even better with the trackpad. But I made a little list of music from Pandora from radio stations that I liked on there. And you can rename it just like this, or lock it, or move to iCloud, browse all versions, stuff like that. And you can change it from here. I'm not going to change it because, I mean I could demonstrate it for you guys. But you can do this, press enter, or you can rename again. And delete, enter. And it changes in Finder as you do it. That's awesome. And when you close a document, for example, let's go into text edit and do a new document. Oh, okay, iCloud for text edit. That's great. You can move your existing documents to the cloud by dragging them here from the Finder or other apps. Okay, so I guess text edit has a new thing that gets in your face. That's cool, I guess. There you go. You have that on your iCloud. So I can open it up on my iPhone, maybe. Move to trash. I didn't mean to do that. I moved it from my documents. I didn't want that. Hang on. Whatever. Okay, but yeah, that's how that works. You can just type something and close. Do you want to save changes, and then you can save it. You can save it to your iCloud from this option. That's really cool. I want to see iCloud put in the favorites now, or like an area to put your iCloud. That would be great. Let's see, untitled documents in the cloud. They're supported. Okay. Built-in sharing. This vlog is probably really long now. I'm just going over everything like a big crash course for you guys. Let's see. Built-in sharing. I already tested that. Calendar. Oh yes, calendar. I think looks new now. My calendar's been opening up a lot lately, but August 1st. Let's see. Calendar sidebar. Click the calendars button, and there's your sidebar along with a little mini calendar. That's great. Search suggestions. So let's search for my birthday because it is in here. And there you go, October 20th. It's great. Or we could search for Christmas. I don't think Christmas is in here. Okay, new date picker. In the inspector displays a mini calendar. I have no idea how we get to that. But there's that. Event notifications too, as I just showed you guys up there. Contacts. I think contacts is it called contacts now? Yep, instead of the address book. So I guess that looks new. I would show you guys more, but there's like phone numbers in here, so yeah. Let's see, dashboard. Ooh, they actually did a dashboard. I thought they were going to end up phasing it out. You can create folders of your favorite widgets. Okay, let's move up here. Blocked plugin for my weather widget. That's weird. And it's currently raining and 54 degrees. Gotta love Alaska. But where I used to live, Wichita Falls, 114. That's great. Oh, there's your widgets. They pop up like they do in Launchpad. So, that's cool. Let's see, like you can move the Weather Channel app to the Weather app, and you'll get Launchpad or, you know, iOS type folder that you can just title Weather. There you go. And you can get out of here. Oh, nope, I didn't want to do that. There we go. And then go back. Dictation. Talk anywhere you can type. So, youtube.com. And there you go, youtube.com. You press enter, and there you go. That's awesome. I wonder if you could do a search. Oh, hang on. Okay. Let's see, what do we want to Google search? Google search OS 10 mountain lion. Okay, well, that puts it in the YouTube search box, but I don't want that. Okay. I can type right here, bro. Okay. Google.com. OS 10 mountain lion. And it does have, it's contextual. So instead of putting 10, it put X. And you just press enter, and there you go. OS 10 mountain lion. Right there for you. Okay, what else do we have? Dictionary, new dictionaries. It now supports simplified Chinese, Spanish, and German definition dictionaries. That's interesting, so I can put some German words in there. Swipe between pages. Okay, let's go to the dictionary, I guess. Dictionary. Let's see. Well, that's if we change the thing there. I was trying to search today for German, which is heute. But, let's see. Facebook, integration coming this fall. Finder, inline progress for downloads and file copies. And the files icon. Okay, so let's go to my external hard drive and try to move a movie into my movies folder on my Mac. So, movies. Let's do Harold and Kumar. Move it to the movies. I don't see anything. That's weird. Do not see. And I just moved 700 megabytes to my computer, but I didn't even see anything. Tap for quick look. Instantly preview files with a 3-finger tap on the trackpad. I don't think that works for this. Let's see. Nope, doesn't work for the Magic Mouse. But I could show you guys that on the MacBook tomorrow. You could share from Finder. Let's see. I don't want to make a new folder. Oh yeah, we can share right here. See, share. And you can AirDrop it, upload it to Vimeo, messaging. That's a good way to violate copyright rules. Customize the sidebar by dragging categories to the desired location. Really? I guess so. Let's see. Launchpad search. So let's go into our Launchpad. It was in my dock, but I took it out. So I don't use Launchpads all that often, but there's a search bar right up here. So if you want to search for notes, there you go. Notes, open from here, and boom. Mac App Store. OS X software updates. That's the slowest app ever on the Mac, and it's now available in Mac App Store. The full screen apps pushed to all Mac computers. That's awesome. Mac App Store notifications notifies you when there are updates available for. I was about to say this could work so I can download, or so I can already have OS X Lion easily on my MacBook over there, but I forgot that's on Lion still. That's last year. But let's see. Mail, VIP Smartbox, inline find. Let's see, new notifications, click to go to the top, web page, sharing, preferences push to iCloud. You can send large attachments up to 100 megabytes in messages. You can switch to video, full screen, support for instant messaging, message notifications, forward a message, search messages, delivery receipts, read receipts, let's see, conversations everywhere, typing indicator. As soon as his friend starts replying, it'll show up. That was always there. Autocomplete names, that was there. So pretty much messages is just you reviewing what was in the beta and some new stuff. So let's see. You can take a Twitter profile picture with your photo booth. You can share it too, that picture, easily from photo booth to Facebook even, coming this fall. Let's see, silent operation, power efficient, backups and updates, and ready when you are for Power Nap. Can't use Power Nap. I don't even think I can use it for the MacBook. It'd be cool if I could, because it'd save a little bit of battery. Documents in the cloud, preview and Lion supports documents in the cloud, so you can access your PDF documents and images from anywhere. Built-in sharing, let's see, inline notes and PDF documents, so I guess if you have some PDFs, like from school or something, you want to put a note in there, I guess that might work. Insert page from scanner, search notes and highlights, view all notes and highlights. You have QuickTime 10, high performance H.264 encoding. Yes. Oh no! It works with AVC HD video. Oh wow, I paid $40 for a converter back whenever Snow Leopard, back around 2011 came around, when I got that Canon camera right over there, the camcorder. No way, supports AVC HD now. Let's try that out. Okay, well, it has support for some MTS files, but I don't think, well, for some AVC, but I don't think for MTS, but that is cool that it does support that now. Just gotta make people's lives much easier. Reminders, Safari, there's a smart search field now has, oh yeah, if I didn't show you guys, you can even just search right here. Mountain lion. And there you go, mountain lion search, and it's pulled up on Google. That's finally, you know how long Google Chrome and Firefox had that? A very long time. I even think Internet Explorer might have had it. Maybe. The share button, offline reading list, tab view, view passwords. Forget a safe password, you can view it in the new passwords pane. Use your system password to authenticate, and you'll see all your passwords. That's awesome. Not the safest thing if someone knows your password for your Mac, but smooth scrolling thanks to hardware accelerations. Web page scroll smoothly in the browser window even when your Mac is loading new page content. Okay, the system, full screen on any display, drag and drop files, and screen sharing. Yes. Improved scroll bars. Game Center enabled chess. Photo streams, screensaver, new slideshows, Faces integration, photo picker. The photo picker now includes Faces, which displays all the pictures you contained in your iPhoto library. So it's easy to choose a photo for your account page, a contacts card, or a messages account. Easier AirPrint setup, smart collections in your font book. That's cool. Text edit. Let's see. Pinch to zoom text. Yep, showed you guys that. Well, it was double tap for the magic mouse. Documents in the cloud showed you guys that. Time machine and Twitter showed you guys Twitter. And that's everything, pretty much, in a nutshell. That I just learned everything, pretty much, on about Mountain Lion. And I gave it to you guys in this simple 30-minute video. That's insane. This is gonna suck to render, but hopefully in Mountain Lion it's faster. I might actually just use this. I might use iMovie. It's not even worry with rendering. Alright guys, well it's about 6:13 in the morning. I'm talking to my dad downstairs for like an hour about Mountain Lion and everything, and then just talking. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. It's really late. I don't know. It's raining as always, and it's like it was a moderate rain earlier, and it's kind of a light little drizzle. It's usually what happens. But yeah, that's Anchorage weather. It's supposed to get a little bit heavier by the end of the day. Middle of the day. So I'm gonna try and wake up during that. Try to wake up around noon, maybe 6 hours from now, 2 REM cycles. And then if all else fails, 3 o'clock. But yeah, good night. Got another one.